Hey, welcome back to Mandy's Planet. Today I'm making cheesesteak subs, Pennsylvania style. I'm using steak-umms, 2 sliced onions, pizza sauce by ragu, and provolone cheese. Okay, let's get started. So step 1 is caramelizing onions that we chopped up. So I'm going to go ahead and add some butter to a heated pan. Step 2, we're going to add our sliced onions to the pan, and I just used 2 large white sliced onions. Step 3, time to add some sugar. This is going to help our onions get caramelized. So I'm going to go ahead and let the onions cook up some. I'm going to put the lid over to help steam them and caramelize them down. And then in a few minutes we'll check on them. Okay, but they're not ready yet. Cook a little bit longer. Now our onions have cooked to a perfection. They are beautifully caramelized. Okay, so step 4, we're going to go ahead and take out our onions and place them in our bowl. Okay, now the onions are done. It's time for some steak. Okay, so we're ready for step 5. We're going to go ahead and break up our sliced steak. And this is how they come in the pack. It's like 2 slices, and then they have a piece of paper, and then 2 more slices, and it just goes on and on like that. And you just take it apart. And the good thing about this is if you're not going to use the whole pack, you can save it and freeze it again and just, take a couple slices out whenever you want to make some steak. It's also good to go with breakfast, like with your eggs and stuff like that. Okay, step 6, we're going to go ahead and let that steak cook down until it is all brown. When cooking your steak-umms, be sure to mix your steak up so that the heat can get distributed throughout the pan and everything can cook evenly.
I've never cooked it all together.
And be sure to keep stirring around. Step 7, we are going to drain away the grease from our steak-umms because they do get really greasy and you really don't want that for your steak and cheese subs. Step 8, we're going to go ahead and put the steak back into the pan so it can continue cooking and getting a beautiful sear. Step 9, we're going to add our caramelized onions back into our pan. We're going to let our steak and onions cook together some more. Make sure you mix them up well. Okay, after everything is mixed, we're going to go on to step 10 and add our pizza sauce. And this is optional if you don't like your cheesesteaks to have the red sauce, but this is definitely the traditional way for the Pennsylvania style cheesesteaks. We are ready for step 11 to add our provolone cheese. And provolone cheese is the best cheese when you're doing cheese steaks. It melts really, really good. Okay, and you're going to want to place your lid over your cheese to let all the cheese get melted. Doesn't that look amazing? And it smells amazing too. I cannot wait to eat dinner tonight. It's all done. Really hope that you guys like this video. Please subscribe, like, and share. Thanks for watching Mandy's Planet. Bye.